Alright guys, welcome back to the video. So this time the topic is machine vision. So I'm going to explain you briefly how machine vision work, what all components are involved in the machine vision, and what you need to know the basic before starting or before going into the vision systems. Okay, so this is going to be a basic video, but that is going to be help you a lot. Okay, so as you know, like for we required PLC is the heart of the whole automation system, the whole industrial automation. There would be a PLC. It could be like any company, Schneider or Siemens or Allen Bradley, anything. Okay, so right now I just taken a PLC over there, and if you can see everything is connected to the PLC. Okay, see this robot, there is a robot over here, robot is connected to PLC, then conveyor motor is connected to PLC. Obviously there would be a drive or a motor controller in between, and that is going to be connected to PLC, not like motor directly going to be controlled PLC, right? So PLC generally works on like 24 or 120. Sometimes motor works on 480, sometimes it works on 120, not less than that, I think so. So obviously there needs to be a motor controller or a drive or something in between PLC and motor, okay, which will control the speed, start, stop, and everything. So the another thing would be there is a sensor one over here, sensor two over here. This is just for the conveyor. This is the conveyor belt, right? So it will tell the PLC or a robot that okay, part is over here on nearby sensor one. Then it rolls. So once it comes to sensor two, the motor should stop. Otherwise, the part might fall out of the conveyor belt, right? So sensor 2 will say okay, now stop the conveyor motor. So that is a simple thing, don't worry about all that stuff. So there is a camera over here, this is the important thing. So camera generally comes with vision lights. So vision lights could be of any different things. Okay, it could be like a small ring light, it could be a area light, it could be like vision lights are so many different types. Okay, so camera is connected to PC. So now camera can be of different types. Again, I will explain you in detail in another video, like how many different types of cameras are there, how many different types of lights are there, what all communication goes beyond besides the camera. Okay, so right now camera is connected to PC, and you will say like there is the PLC, why we need the PC? So generally camera vision system, we have to see okay what is being captured by the camera. Okay, this is good, this is bad, this is good, this is bad, like that. So once there is some part over here and it goes from year to year, camera will see okay this is a good part. If it is a good part, it will let it go, and from here robot will pick up the part and place it in this thing. This is, let's say, a bin, or this is a pallet or anything, something like that. Okay, so from here robot will pick it. This is end of arm tooling, EOAT. So this is end of arm, so it will pick up the part from here and place it on the pallets. Okay, so even this sensor too will help to tell the robot okay, yeah, there is a part in front of me, you can pick it up and then place it on the pallet, right? So you understood the sensor one, sensor two, robot, end of arm, pallet, conveyor, motor, PLC, PC. Monitor is like uh, it shows whatever picture has been taken by the cameras, and sometimes it is used to train the cameras. Okay, this is a good part, this is a bad part. So you have to train the camera, like we have to teach the camera what is good, what is bad, like that, right? And then this is a pneumatic cylinder, and for rejection, so let's say there is a bad part detected by the camera, it comes over here and it will be rejected by the pneumatic cylinder, right? So it will throw away, like I'm just showing you very overview. It cannot be something like that. It cannot just throw the part away. And again, how can a pneumatic cylinder knows that okay, I have the part which I have to reject. So there should be a sensor nearby the pneumatic cylinder also might be. So all that stuff goes in very detailed in the industrial automation field. Okay, I'm just showing you an overall overview. So camera will be connected to PC will be connected to PLC again. All this stuffs will be connected via Ethernet, industrial Ethernet, in Ethernet IP, or Profinet, or Profibus, or CAN bus, or Anibus, or generally camera comes with Ethernet. Camera comes with either Ethernet or uh, many cameras are also PoE, like power over Ethernet, so it doesn't need separate power as well as separate Ethernet. It like PoE is in just a simple thing is like power over Ethernet, so it comes with power as well as Ethernet for the camera, so you don't have to use different cables, right? So in industry, in factories, I had seen scenarios like you have to run a cable like 50 meters or 100 meters from main panel to camera, so you don't have to run like two different cables for power as well as for Ethernet. Just run a single cable, power over Ethernet, and you will get the power as well as Ethernet for the camera, so it will save you some cost, right? But for that, camera should be having PoE function, otherwise you cannot. Some cameras have like separate power as plus separate Ethernet. Okay, Ethernet PoE. So it works on, sometimes it works on gig E communication protocol and all that stuff. So that is going to be connected to PC, and PC going to be connected to PLC via Ethernet again. Okay, yeah. So and for sure, a PLC would not be having so many different Ethernet port. There would be a, maybe let's say, an Ethernet switch in between, so which will be connected to PLC, and then all these stuff will be connected to Ethernet switch first, and then it will be connected to PLC. So I will explain you in different video in detail what is this Ethernet switch does, how it is connected to different systems in the automation system, right? So okay, you understood this thing, you understood camera, sensors, motor. So yeah, then if you're seeing this thing, so this is a manifold. And what is manifold? So manifold is like air valve system. And uh, PLC says okay, reject, push the cylinder upward or push the cylinder downward. So it is connected, the manifold is generally connected to PLC using again an Ethernet. Okay, so PLC will tell via Ethernet a manifold. So manifold have different types of like air valves, solenoid air valves. Okay, I will explain you in detail in some other videos how this thing works. Okay, so manifold have surrounded air valves, and through these air valves, this pneumatic cylinder is like up or down, right? So, what was the function of the camera? So just to check whether this part is good or bad or something like that, right? So on the there are many cameras which are like fast, really fast cameras, like in just 1 minute they can scan like hundreds of part, and it will say okay, this good, this bad, good, bad, good, bad, good, something like that. Okay, I'm just having fun on the video. Good, bad, good. Okay, so PLC to motor, PLC to Ethernet, oh, PLC to PC via Ethernet, PLC to camera, PLC to sensor 1 and sensor 2, PLC to manifold, PLC to conveyor, PLC to robot, and that's it. So this is how whole system works. I'm showing you an overview how everything is connected together and how it should be connected. If anything is missing, it would not work in a perfect manner or in a safe manner, right? Safety is very important in industrial automation. Safety for a worker, safety for operator, machine operator, is really important. There should be e-stops nearby the conveyor. there should be stop nearby the robot, there should be stop nearby the PLC, there should be stop nearby the pneumatic cylinder. Everywhere there should first should there should be safety. So this is how you are going to connect the whole system. Sensor 1, sensor 2, maybe it can be directly connected to PLC. It depends how, what type of sensor it is, what type of PLC input output it has. Okay, some have digital input output ports, some has like you have to go through IO link. I will explain you IO link in a different video. I had talked about IO link in one of my LinkedIn post. Okay, so this is how things work in vision system, machine vision, and industrial automation, which I love the most. Industrial automation, love the most. Okay, so that's it, I think, for this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure please you subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. New mic gift from my wife.